Welcome to our journey, cycling through the amazing countryside, presented by Thorneyholme RC Primary School and Breaking Cycle CIC. Learning opens doors to happiness. Excited to be going on our cycling journey, we set off one behind the other. We began our adventure through our lovely countryside. The sky was moody, looking down at us on our bikes. The river shimmered in the sunlight. Riding down the valley, the wind blew gently into our faces. At the trail side, there were deciduous trees painting a picture with their autumnal palettes. Like an F1 race, we steadied our bikes and set off on the descent. Exhilarated by the adrenaline rush, like a deer fleeing. With the smell of burning rubber, we had done it. As we entered the tree-lined forest track, the leaves were rustling.